Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. In today's video, we are going to learn English using the shadowing technique. But not just any English. You'll learn through a true-to-life story that's full of real expressions, polite phrases, and useful travel vocabulary. So, get ready to listen, repeat, and improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency, step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin with the story of Lena, a young woman who traveled to London for a very important reason. She just didn't know it yet. I just landed in London. The weather is gray and a little rainy, but I don't mind. I'm excited and nervous. Why? Because I'm here to attend a marketing conference. It's the biggest one in Europe, and my boss asked me to go instead of him. I'm only 25 years old. This is my first work trip, ever. I go through customs, collect my luggage, and head outside to find a taxi. But, uh-oh, there's a problem. My suitcase is missing. I wait at the baggage claim for 30 minutes. Still nothing. I talk to the airport staff. "Excuse me," I say. "I think my bag is missing." They're helpful and polite. "Please fill out this form," the lady says. "We will contact you as soon as we find your bag." I sigh. All my clothes, my shoes, my presentation notes, gone. And the conference starts tomorrow. I take a black cab to my hotel. The driver has a strong British accent. "First time in London?" he asks. "Yes," I reply. "I'm here for a business event." "Hope you packed an umbrella," he jokes. "It rains all week here." We laugh. As we drive through the city, I look out the window. Red buses, old buildings, people walking fast with coffee cups in hand. I love it. When I get to my hotel, I explain the situation to the receptionist. "No luggage," she says kindly. "No worries. We'll do our best to help." They give me a toothbrush, some basic toiletries, and even recommend a nearby clothing store. I spend the rest of the evening buying a simple outfit. Not fancy, but enough to look professional. That night, I barely sleep. I'm nervous about my presentation. The next morning, I take the tube to the conference center. My heart is beating fast. I walk in, check my name on the list, and go to the small stage where I'm supposed to present. Suddenly, a woman with a microphone walks up to me. "Are you Lena Haddad?" she asks. "Yes, that's me," I reply. "Great, you're next. You'll be doing the live interview." I blink. What interview? Apparently, my boss had signed me up for a live panel discussion with experts from Google and Microsoft, but he forgot to tell me. I feel my knees shake. This isn't just a small talk. It's being streamed live on the internet. I take a deep breath. I smile. I walk on stage. The lights are bright. The host says, "Welcome, Lena. Tell us how your company uses social media to reach new customers." I pause, and then I speak. Clearly, calmly, confidently. 10 minutes pass, then 20. People are nodding. Some are even taking notes. When the interview ends, people clap. Someone says, "That was impressive." I can't believe it. Later that day, my luggage arrives at the hotel. Everything is intact. But now, I don't even care. Something more important happened. I proved to myself that I could do something hard, even without being fully prepared. That night, I get an email from the company's CEO. He watched the interview. He writes, You were amazing. When you're back, let's talk about your future here. So, what did we learn from Lena's story? 1. Stay calm in difficult situations. Things go wrong when you travel. It's normal. 2. Be ready for the unexpected. Life doesn't always go as planned, but you can still shine. 3. Confidence grows with challenge. Even if you feel afraid, do it anyway. And from a language perspective, you just learned travel vocabulary, polite phrases, business English, real-life expressions used in conversations. Let's practice repeating some useful phrases from Lena's story. Say them after me. Excuse me, I think my bag is missing. We'll contact you as soon as we find it. Are you Lena Haddad? What interview? Let's talk about your future. Great job. You're getting better every time. If you enjoyed Lena's story, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more shadowing practice, real-life stories, and English lessons every week. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. See you soon, my friends.